Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be guiding you through how to change your language on your Free Fire Max account. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. Open up your Free Fire Max application on your device, and once you are signed into the account, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the main screen. In the settings menu, tap on the language options. Select your desired language from the list by tapping on one of the language options and tap on OK to confirm the change. You may be prompted to restart the game, so in order to save the change, tap on Confirm and you will be able to change your display language for Free Fire Max application. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.